Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to draw a metallic gold sphere. Let's get started. First, we'll create a new layer. Transform your Procreate projects with more than 4,000 brushes, fonts, textures, and 3D models available in the Brush app. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen to access them now. We'll start by drawing a circle in yellow. Fill the circle with color. Tap Transform and place the circle near the center. Next, create a new layer. Tap on it and select Clipping Mask. Tap N and choose the Multiply Blending mode. Select a dirty yellow color, closer to brown, and switch to the soft brush. Increase the brush size. Use this color to paint the lower part of the sphere, indicating the shadow area. Also, paint slightly along the contour. Then, select the eraser, choose the soft brush, and gently erase the color along the contour. Select a brown color and paint along the bottom of the sphere without touching the contour using the same brush, but with a smaller size. Return to the dirty yellow color and soften the transition by painting along the top edge of the dark color. Lightly highlight the lower contour of the sphere. Create a new layer and name it Reflection. Name the lower layer Shadows. Tap Clipping Mask. Choose a gray color and paint along the entire lower contour of the sphere. This shows that the light reflecting off the surface where the sphere is placed is hitting the shadow area of the sphere. Select a dark brown color and start painting the reflection from the surrounding environment on the sphere's surface. Since the background is dark, this reflection will also be quite dark. Take the brown color again and paint along the upper contour of the reflection. Then, take the dirty yellow and apply it along the brown contour. Finally, choose our base color and highlight the brightest area of the sphere. Select the smudge tool, take the soft brush, and blend the transitions between these colors. Select the soft airbrush and use the dark brown to create a sharper line along the bottom of the dark reflection. Then, retake the brown color and paint a transition from dark to light near the top of the sphere. Select a gray color and add it along the top and lower contours of the sphere. Select the eraser and erase the sphere's sides along the contour. Add the dirty yellow color to the top, followed by the brown color. Select the base yellow color and paint where the highlight will be. Select the smudge tool and blend the color transitions again to make them smoother. Merge the top two layers. You'll notice how the color has changed. Take the eraser and erase along the sides of the contour, lightening them, especially at the top. You can see how the volume is already being nicely defined. Also, erase a thin line along the lower contour. Create a new layer. Tap Clipping Mask. Select the yellow color and switch to an even lighter yellow. On the brightest part of the sphere, start drawing a semi-transparent highlight. Then, increase the opacity and reduce the brush size to draw the central highlight. Draw a second highlight similarly. You can also add some of this color to the top contour of the sphere. Create a new layer and place it under the highlight layer. Tap Clipping Mask. Choose a dark brown color and add more shadows with a semi-transparent brush. Return to the highlight layer. Take the base yellow color and use the soft airbrush to add light highlights in the shadow areas. Increase the opacity, reduce the brush size, and enhance the highlights, making them more prominent. Select a gray color and apply it again to the lower part and over the highlights on the bottom. Make the gray color lighter. Select the soft brush and lower the opacity. Add a reflection to the bottom part with this color, and on the lower highlights. Return to the upper highlights. Using a light yellow color around the main highlight, add a bright area. Then, with the lightest color, add another highlight in the center of this area, creating a more split reflection effect. Go back to the main layer and create a new layer. Move it below the main one. On this layer, we'll draw the shadow cast by the sphere. For this, choose a dark brown color and set the layer's blending mode to linear burn. Using the soft brush, draw an oval shape under the sphere. Shift the shadow slightly to the right because the light is coming from the left and above. Extend the shadow slightly toward the back. Take the eraser and adjust the contour of the shadow slightly. Lower the opacity of this layer. Tap Adjustments. Choose Gaussian Blur and set it to 10% to further soften the shadow. Create a new layer and add a subtle texture. Choose the Industrial Set and the Heavy Metal Brush. Tap Clipping Mask on the layer. Select a brown color and apply it to the shadowed area. Choose a dark brown color and apply it to the shadowed part. Select a light yellow and paint over the bright parts of the sphere, adding it to the bottom as well. Select the lightest color and add a light texture to the highlight area. Repeat the same process with gray, but focus on the mid-tone areas and the lower part of the sphere. Lower the opacity of the texture layer. Our metallic sphere is complete. I hope this video was interesting and informative for you. Like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our new tutorials.